Hey everyone, today I have two smokers here with me. I'm going to unbox it. So I have the East Oak digital electric smoker. I have the Pro and then I have the regular versions. So let's unbox these. I'm going to unbox the first one, which is just the regular version. It's not the Pro. The Pro actually has a glass front and this one does not. This is the back. So let's just flip this around. We have no manpower today, so we're doing it alone. You guys see how lightweight this is? It's so easy to move. This one also comes with a thermometer that's easily stored right in here. So that's perfect. So now that we've emptied this one, let's empty the second one. So here I have the control for it. So I'll just set this aside. Let's open up the next one. So guys, remember the handle? Let's install it. We're just going to remove the two screws that's provided at the back of the smoker, and we're going to place them in by putting the handle here. Okay, let's start assembling with all of the trays and all of the parts. In goes that bowl with water and this tray that slides right over to capture anything that falls from the meat that's smoking, and it's going to fall into that bowl with water. On the top of the machine, you're going to find your keep warm function and your temperature functions. Here is where you will set it to how long you want it to cook for or smoke for, and the temperature you want it to be at when it's done or while it's smoking. You'll get that internal thermometer where you can set it to the temperature you want for when it's done. So once you figure out how long you want it to cook for, you set that up, and then the next step would be to start loading. What I like about this is you can also use this as a warming oven, so you can make something and store it in here and it can keep warm. So macaroni pie, you can keep barbecue chicken, fried chicken. It's really versatile. So I'm doing fish and chicken in this first one. This is the Pro because, as I told you all, the Pro has the glass where you can see through. And yes, you can smoke fish and chicken in the same smoker. I'm using the internal thermometer to place it into the chicken thigh, so I will know when it reaches that internal temperature of 170 degrees Fahrenheit. And it will let me know. So all we have to do is to lock this in place, and then I load the second one with ribs. I also place some corn and some potatoes in both of them. So if you like a smoked corn or potato, it's a great way to smoke it in here also. You see it on the top there, and I'm going to lock this into place and allow it to continue to smoke until it's done. You guys don't have to do anything with this. Everything takes place in there. The Pro does come with this control where you can set your temperature and everything from here if you didn't do it from on the device itself. All we have to do is allow it to smoke, and when it's done, we'll check in and see how it looks. I have to say I really like it. It's nice and small, the sizes. It's great for entertaining. It's great if you have a restaurant and you make dishes that you have to keep warm. You can keep it in here. Be very careful when you're opening it because that steam comes right out and hits you. The potatoes and the corn are smoked and the chicken is properly well smoked. You see that steam coming out? And the ribs, everything came out really perfectly. I actually left them in here. I did not take it out for you guys to see it on a rack or on a tray because I wanted to keep it nice and warm in here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick demo. You see all the liquid in there where it was caught while it was cooking. It went into that drip pan. I hope you all enjoyed this video. It's a really good investment to have and to keep. Imagine cooking curry chicken and you're just storing it in here, or whatever you're entertaining, you keep it in here nice and warm. So I'll leave the link for this down in the description box. So I hope you all make this purchase. Comment down below and let me know if you do, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you all so much for joining me today. Bye everyone.